today I am going to be installing the rack with the large basket in the front. You see there's 4 screws that you have to take out, and hopefully it won't be too hard, but it looks pretty easy. And there's my dog Mari, the whole reason I'm doing it. So I went ahead and took off the lights and I pulled out the screw from the front. Then after that I went ahead and connected the extender to make the light longer. And you go ahead and stick it back into the Velcro. I already did it and it fits pretty nicely in there. So I hit a bit of a snag. The screw and the nut, if you don't pay attention, you have to make sure that the nut is faced flat or it won't screw back on properly. So I was trying to screw it back together and it wouldn't go back. Finally figured that out. So hopefully this video helps you. And there you have it. I installed the rack. You just have to screw the 4 screws in. It wasn't too hard. You just use the Allen wrench. Takes a few minutes. And here it is with the finished product with the large basket. So same thing, you just take the 4 screws that they give you and you screw them onto the rack. It's really not too difficult, especially if you have the wrench. If you're just using the Allen wrench that they give you, it takes a little bit longer. So I went ahead and installed the light in the front with some zip ties. Because of my model, it doesn't really fit in the front or the bottom. It's too long. I think it'll hold up pretty fine like that, so I plan to just leave it like that. So I bought this little bed for my dog Mari. I don't plan on taking her like that, but I do just want to see what she looks like. She looks so cute. Yes, there she is in the basket, but I will definitely have her in the carrier when I take her for the bike ride. And there you have it. I completed the installation with the large basket and rack. I already had added the center console. I do find it pretty helpful. You can put a few things. You can see I have my phone on there. This is just the look from it from the back. It has the backlight. Looks like a motorcycle. Side view. I really like the added basket. The light is on in the front. There's my dog, and yeah, I'm ready to take it for a spin. Here's my dog ready to go and take a ride. I have her carrier set up. It fits perfectly into the basket she's in. Zipping her up, make sure she doesn't jump out. And we're ready to go. And here we go, our first bike ride together. What I love about the basket, it doesn't move if I turn left or right, it stays right in the center.